Alright guys, today I want to do a quick review on my 130 watt desktop fast charger. It's this one right here. I got it hooked up. So you got 4 Type-C chargers, 2 USBs. I'm going to go through each one because each one has a different output. Just got a little bit here for reference. So the USB-C 1 and 2, which is these first ones right here, those will do like your MacBook Pros, like your higher end laptops, which is what I'm going to power on here as well. I have a Surface that it's going to power, it keeps powered up. And then your next ones here, these will power up like your phones, maybe AirPods, things like of that nature, your tablets, Apple, Samsung, all of them, Amazon. And then lastly is your regular USB outlet. So these first two, these do 65 watts. These next two do 45 watts, and then these do 20 watts. I'm gonna start hooking things up just so you can kind of see. So like this will literally keep your desk way more organized, because like I had so many cables and little blocks everywhere. So this has made so much of a difference. So just wanted to kind of show you. So like I said, the first two, start hooking things up. We'll do that one to that. And then we'll do a USB to my watch. You can do whatever you like. So I mean, just, you know, everything is working. And then we'll go ahead and do this other USB for my Nintendo Switch. Part of this, so just so you kind of see, there it goes. Bam. So as you can see, everything is literally charging. I don't need to be having all these outlets and surge protectors. Like this one thing can handle 6 different items all at once. Like I said, 130 watts being pushed out of this little block. So if you're looking for an awesome fast charger that can handle all your devices, literally charge 2 laptops at once, highly recommend this one. 10 out of 10.